Yes, I want to bring a word of encouragement to you. Yes, I mean you. In whatever you are doing, don't be discouraged. Yeah, I came across cooking at the age of 13. Yes, I mean 13. And from my mother's kitchen. Yeah. And then it was as if it's not going to yield any positive result. I'm just doing it for fun. Cooking at the age of 13, cooking for a family of 13 in number. Yes. And I took it upon myself. I cook every day. It's a daily routine. Till after so many years, and I came across this cooking in a more professional way. Yeah. I went to a catering school, catering training, let me use training, not school per se, where I was trained in pastry and a little bit of cooking and event planning and event decoration. But surprisingly, after my training, I had to choose one aspect, which I picked event decoration and event planning. And I was so, I tried as much as possible to really go deep. Yeah. Until after several years, I was having this burden within me that I had to leave a particular stage of life to move to another stage. That was when I took this cooking more serious, and I did it for like 2-3 years. And I began to have this burden again that Joshua, you can do more for yourself. Taking it from the aspect of being a caterer or a cook, that you can be a chef. Oh yes, there is a difference between being a cook and being a chef. Yeah, there's a wide gap. So when you see somebody, when you see a certified chef, you don't call them a cook. They know more than cooking. They know more than cooking. And there's been a burden in my heart. I went to one of the best culinary school in Nigeria to make an inquiry. By the time they gave me the prize, I was totally discouraged. So I have to put it on hold for like 2 years. Yes, I mean 2 years. And after that, I went back to that same school, and I made a inquiry again, and they gave me the prize list. And I look and I say to myself, Joshua, you can do this. Without having, I can tell you, I don't even have 40,000 naira in my account that time. And I want to embark on a journey of being a chef. It's not bread and butter. So if you see a chef outside, don't look at them as just ordinary cook. No, we are not. We are a chef. So I have to pick up that form, get the necessary materials, and I embark on the journey. Day in, day out, I continue. And to the glory of God, I finished my program in a culinary school, and I was satisfied as a chef. So today, I so much appreciate the school, the owner of the school, the CEO, and all the team. Yeah, I so much appreciate them for giving me the privilege, for helping this dream to become a reality. Yes, Royal Spices Academy is the school, and I can say it anywhere that the school is one of the best in Nigeria. Yes. So after that, after my graduation, I asked myself, Joshua, what aspect of a chef do you want to focus your attention on? And I look at it, chef, we can diversify in so many areas. But I say to myself that what can make me to express myself much and to make myself available within and outside the country is for me to be a freelance chef, which I'm proud to say it anywhere today. I'm a freelance chef. Yes. So I can go anywhere. I work for different organizations. I'm not tied in a particular place. So I move around, I go. I work for several organizations. So I want to encourage young people outside there. You have a vision. Don't allow fear. Yeah. Fear is one of the things that can kill our dream. When you look at it, you are so fearful to embark on that journey. And I will tell you this. Even living our life on daily basis, we are taking a risk. So why can't you take that risk of giving back to your dream? And I want to say to you, even if you want to embark on a business, when I started my catering and my event planning and event decoration organization, which is a Glorious Start Creativity, people always let me understand that you cannot never start a business without a capital. Yes, I believe that. If you don't have the capital, if you don't have the enough capital, it will make the big business to drag a little bit. But I took my passion as my capital, and I began to do so many things. I'm a social media person, and I began to make use of my social media. And I can tell you different testimony, different story. Yeah, up and down, from one place to another. But I can tell you, God is so wonderful. So where I am today, 5, 6, 7 years ago, if somebody explained to me that Joshua, by this also time you will be this, I will tell the person how. But thank God for the passion God gave to me, for the vision God gave to me. I'm the kind of person, I'm full of burden. I have so many things in me that I just want to do. I want to dish them out. Yes. But today I can tell you, God is faithful. Pick up the challenge. Encourage yourself. Embark on that journey. You will give back to that dream, and that dream will become a reality. And if you are out there, young people, maybe you have passion for cooking, you want to be a chef, I can tell you this. You can start without having 5 naira in your account. Yes, I mean it. Just get a right channel. Get a right mentor. Talk to right people. They will encourage you and give you the necessary advice and direct you in a right path and lift you up with right people that can help you to fulfill that dream. So, I'm telling you today, to the glory of God, I can tell you the journey has been rough, but I'm here where I am today to the glory of God. So, in the next few years can be you. You see people outside there in line of, in different careers, there is nothing that has helped them if not for their passion. So my question for you today is, what do you have passion for? You can do well for yourself and you can build a legacy for the next generation. Once again, my name is Joshua Adegunte, also known as Chef Josh. Thank you very much.